Hello, my name is Chris Muck, Product Manager at Blum US, and today we're going to talk about drawer box preparation for Tandem Plus BLUMOTION drawer runners. Let's begin by measuring our cabinet opening width, as shown here. We also need to know what the material thickness of the drawer will be. This will help us determine which version of Tandem Plus BLUMOTION we use. For our application, the drawer side material thickness is 5/8, so we're going to use a 563H. Depending on which Tandem Plus BLUMOTION runner you have, there are different formulas for calculating inside drawer width. For 563H and 563 Point Series runners, which work for up to 16 millimeters or 5/8 drawer material thickness, the calculation is opening width minus 42 millimeters or 1 inch and 21/32. For 563F series runners, which work for up to 19 millimeters or 3/4 inch drawer material thickness, the calculation is opening minus 49 millimeters or 1 inch and 15/16. Next, we need to calculate our outside drawer length. This is typically 3 inches shorter than your outside cabinet depth. You can reference your tandem part number to see what your outside drawer length should be in millimeters for your specific application. For our installation, we will use a 533 length, which is for a 21-inch outside drawer length. Let's talk a little bit about drawer box preparation. As you can see on the back of the drawer box, we have a rear notch on each side. This rear notch should start flush with the inside of the side panel and should be 35 millimeters wide or 1 inch and 3/8. The rear notch should also be flush with the drawer bottom, and as you can see here, we have a 1/2 inch bottom recess on our drawer. These notches allow the runners to pass through on their way to engaging with the locking devices. As you can see, we've also added rear hook holes to the back of the drawer, as well as holes in the subfront of the drawer for the locking devices. For that, we will use our Concealed Runner Template. Let me walk you through using our Concealed Runner Template. First, we want to set our drill bit depth. This is to ensure that we don't go through the drawer material. As you can see, we've already set the depth for these 2 bits, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now we can pre-drill for our locking devices. First, we want to check the area where the locking device will be installed and make sure that it is clear of any glue, staples, nails, or any other obstruction before we use our Concealed Runner Template to pre-drill our holes. To use the Concealed Runner Template, simply place it in the front corner of the drawer as shown, and since we're using Tandem Plus BLUMOTION, we're going to pre-drill the first and third or 2 outer holes in preparation for our locking device installation. We're going to repeat this on the other side. Next, we'll secure our locking device using 2 number 6x5/8 flathead wood screws. For our application, we're using the locking device with the integrated side adjustment. Now let's pre-drill our rear hook holes. The process is the same on the right and left-hand side. The drawer material will pass through here, and the Concealed Runner Template goes on the back of the drawer like this. If you have any further questions about Tandem Plus BLUMOTION or any of our other products, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any other videos you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.